A major debatable topic is whether OTT platforms should be regulated, whether the content that has been uploaded on these platforms should be subject to any kind of regulation, or it should be totally without any regulation, any certification. So this has become an extremely debatable topic in the present scenario. And the arguments on both sides are extremely strong. So if you look at the people who are in support of no regulation, they put forward the argument of freedom of speech. They say that if you regulate, freedom of speech will be violated. If you set up a film certification and give any kind of certification, then it will be a violation of freedom of speech, regulating the OTT platforms. The other argument which is put forward for no regulation is the artistic liberty. That artistic liberty, a person who is generating that content should be free to tell the story in any way he feels is right. So these are the arguments that are in support of no regulation of these platforms. The other side which supports regulation states that freedom of speech and expression should have certain limit, because here you are impacting a large community. And before we discuss what should be done and what shouldn't be done, arguments on both sides are extremely strong and conflicting. But we need to understand one thing, is that OTT platforms are in a growing stage today. Today, OTT platforms are in a very growing stage, and 10 years from now, 20 years from now, they will grow at a very higher rate. And today itself, they are impacting a large number of people. The huge numbers of people who watch content on these OTT platforms. And in the coming years, this number will almost double and triple. So the community viewing increases with OTT platforms, and these will continue to grow in the coming years. So this is one point which we need to notice while we debate this topic. The other thing is, when you're watching any content which you find should not be there in the story, whatever is being shown, you need to also understand that when you give access to OTT platforms, you are watching, your family is watching, even children are watching. And the content that is shown can impact the minds of the children if it is not suitable for viewing. So this platform, or all the OTT platforms, should be regulated in some way or the other. Now the question arises is what the other countries do. Do the other countries regulate it? Or do they say that it is a violation of artistic liberty? When we compare it with other countries, for example UK, Singapore, these countries regulate their OTT platforms just like how they regulate their films, exactly in a similar manner. And if you look particularly the example of the UK, in UK, OTT platforms are subject to same kind of regulation as a television broadcast is. So whatever the rules apply to the television, the same rules apply to the OTT platforms in the UK. So these countries very well regulate their OTT content. And the recent controversy of Thunder, where some section felt that their religious sentiments are getting hurt, or in some other content that is being shown, somebody feels that this content should not be viewed or this content should not be shown. So these kind of situations can be avoided if we have certain kind of regulation for the OTT platforms. Now the question arises, is self-regulation sufficient? Many people are in support of self-regulation to avoid the violation of freedom of speech and expression. So is self-regulation enough? Or there should be a specific board, like there's CBFC for films, so there should be a specific board to certify the OTT platforms. Since your OTT platforms impact a larger community, since it has very high level of viewership, you need to have a separate board to at least certify them before they are uploaded on these platforms. Because what we need to understand is the basic fact that there has to be a limit even on artistic freedom. Is this the limit or is this the limit? So I am not in support of full certification of the platforms, because that will be a violation of artistic liberty and a lot many more things. But there has to be a certain level of certification, a certain level of certification before these are uploaded on the OTT platforms.